Ibrahim Taymi reports from his father that Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib gave us a sermon while a booklet was hanging with his scabbard. Pointing towards the booklet, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, "Whosoever thinks that we have anything other than Allah's book and this scripture is a liar." This booklet contains the dictates about the ages of camels and blood money of some wounds, and contains that the Prophet ﷺ said, Medina Munawwara is a sanctuary from the Mount Ayr to the Mount Thor. So whosoever commits a crime in Medina Munawwara or provide a heaven to a criminal, there should be the curse of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam, and all human being upon him. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will accept neither obligatory nor optional acts of worship of him on the resurrection day. And the guarantee of protection rendered by all Muslims is alike. And even a man of low status can give shelter to anyone. And whosoever associates himself with someone else, his father, or the slave who relates himself with someone else, his master, the curse of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam, and all human being be upon him. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will approve neither obligatory nor optional acts of worship of him on the resurrection day. Abu Bakr's report has ended now, and Zuhair's report ended at where protection given by a common Muslim was mentioned, and the remaining part has not been mentioned in them. These both reports do not mention that the scripture was hanging with the Sheth. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3314.